Good morning, everyone. Opesh Singh here. How's everything? Hope everybody is fine. Today I am going to tell you usual problem of a young businessman. Whenever you are working abroad in overseas market, you are new. When you want to start your startup, your company, you want to launch your products, your things, anything, whatever. You face many challenges, and every step you want to prove yourself because you have too much competition by another companies. They are old, they are working from last 10 year, 5 year, 15 years, and they always put rumors in the market that you are young, you can't complete the project, and many things. All of this if difficulties, you need a good team, good knowledge, and good expertise, because your competition is not with your product, not with your another colleagues, your office staff. You have a big competition with competitors, real companies who is working in your sector and already established. As young people, it is common that pupils, they don't believe you. How's your product? You can complete the contracts and other things. And most important thing is this: you are young, and these are sometimes a drawback. But we must to know how to prove ourselves, how to sort it out these things. Basically, as a young businessman, you must earn knowledge of how to set up companies, how to work in overseas market, your product is suitable for that or not, and you need a good marketing, because you are young and you don't have a lot of experience. So you must be do hard work. You can earn money, you can make $1 million, anything, but for all these things you must do hard work for your success. You must get knowledge of your product, knowledge of your contracts, knowledge of the country where you are going to spend, knowledge of pupils, what their demand. And when you launch your product, anything, you need to market analysis, and you need somebody who have experience, some consultants, some groups, and you can get knowledge from Google, anywhere. But before launching, before going to market, introduce yourself, you must be do all study, all feasibility study, make your business plan, make every other things, because you are going to compete with big pupils, other established companies. And as we are young, we know we have more energy to complete our project, more energy to get more money, work hard day and night, get more knowledge, and we can use latest technologies. Mostly these days, this is a 21st century. Technology is the most important part, and you can use technology not only your product, your company setup, checking online, getting data from consultants, and many other things. If you need to know about this all in details, you can check out our website. See you soon.